Hello everyone. Today we are going to start first chapter number system of ninth standard. Okay? Everybody knows numbers and previous class you learned natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, etc. Now we are going to learn real numbers. Real numbers. Real numbers are of two types, with decimal and without decimal. Okay, with decimal and without decimal. With decimals, for example, 1.2, 1.5, like this, or 1.12, 12, dot dot dot, or 1.2345 dot dot dot. Okay, three types of decimal. Then without decimal, everybody knows number line. You know number line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, infinite. To the left side, -1, -2, -3, -4, infinite. Okay. 0 is the center of number line. To the right side, all positive numbers are there, and to the left side of 0 on number line, all negative numbers are there. 0 is at middle. Okay, all positive numbers are called natural numbers. All positive numbers are natural numbers. Then next, with 0, 0 add to the natural number. 0 plus natural number are whole numbers. Isn't it? Natural number को ही काउंटिंग नंबर्स भी बोलते हैं. So on number line to the right, all positive, start from 1. All positive numbers means natural number. Then 0 add to the natural number. Then set will start from 0. It is whole number. Okay. Now come to this side. First of all, what is real numbers? किसे बोलते हैं real numbers? जो real है, जो सच में है. Numbers which are real are real numbers. Now, with decimal 1.5, we can write 1.5 like this. Means you can divide 3, no, like this, 15 or 5 3s are, 5 2s are. So 3 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 is carry. Then take 0, put decimal. Now 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Means division is complete division is there. Remainder is 0. That is terminating, are called terminating. Or one more example, 1.2, we can write 1.2 like this, 12 upon 10. So 12 divided by 10, 10 ones are 10, 2 is carry. Then take 0, put decimal. So 10 2s are 20. Again remainder is 0. यानी डिवीजन कंप्लीट हुआ, खत्म हुआ. जो कंप्लीटली डिवाइड होते यानी रिमाइंडर इज 0 ओनली. दीज नंबर्स आर टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर्स, आर टर्मिनेटिंग. Now see this example. 1.121212 यानी रिपीट हो रहा 121212. इसे हम 1 point recurring 12. We can write this number like this. Means what? 1 and 2 coming again and again and repeating process. This is called non-terminating. यानी खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. Non-terminating. Repeating. Repeating means recurring. Non-terminating recurring numbers. Once again, ये जो है डिवीजन इज कंप्लीटली ओवर मीन्स खत्म हो गया. दैट इज टर्मिनेटिंग. बट हियर डिवीजन इज not completely over. Remainder is coming again and again, but repeating numbers are there, so it is non-terminating recurring. Now this 1.2345 dot dot यानी process continuously going on. यहाँ recurring नहीं नजर आ, repeating numbers are not there, so these types of numbers are called non-terminating, non-recurring, non-recurring. Got it? First type is terminating, then second is non-terminating recurring यानी coming again and again. Remainder, same remainder is repeat here. Now here non-terminating खत्म तो हो ही नहीं रहा पर repeat भी नहीं हो रहे digits, means remainder again 2 3 4 5, isn't it like this? Non-recurring, repeat नहीं हो रहे. अब come this side again. Number line, then I explain natural, then whole numbers. Now every integer is a rational number. अब what is rational? First of all, these two इन्हें मिला के बनते हैं rational. ये है rational numbers. इन दोनों को मिला के टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिकरिंग. अब ये नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिकरिंग प्लस द नंबर्स विच आर नॉट कंप्लीटली हैविंग स्क्वायर रूट, जिनके स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकलते, लाइक दिस √3, √5, √7. they didn't have square root, means not perfect square. The numbers which are not perfect square और जिनका square root निकलता ही नहीं are non-terminating recurring, means these are irrational numbers. These are rational. और जो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिकरिंग और जिनका स्क्वायर रूट निकलता ही नहीं, these are called irrational. Okay, now every integer is rational. अब rational क्या है? What is rational numbers? Rational numbers always are p upon q. Rational numbers are always in the form of P upon Q. P is integers and Q is not equal to 0. यानी दोनों integers ही होंगे. P is also integer and Q also. Okay. अब every integer is a rational. है कि नहीं? We will try. Suppose for example 2. हाँ, 2 को अपन we can write 2 upon 1 like this means P upon Q form. P is 2 and Q is non-zero, that is 1. So we can write 2 in the form of rational number. For example, -4, we can write -4 upon 1. Isn't it? Means -4 is P and Q is 1. Non-zero numbers means every integer we can write in the form of a rational number. But every rational number is not an integer. Okay. Now, what is real number? Real number is the combination of or real number. Real numbers is equal to rational numbers plus irrational numbers plus integers. अब इंटीजर्स अगर रैशनल नंबर है तो ये इसमें बैठते हैं. सो वी कैन राइट रियल नंबर इज द addition of rational means set of rational number plus irrational number. Clear? Once again, what is real numbers? The numbers which are real, जो सच में है. So we divide real numbers into two groups, with decimal, without decimal. So with decimal, there are three types. First type, which are terminating, जिनका completely division होता है. No remainder, only 0 is there. Remainder is 0, are terminating. Second type, non-terminating, यानी completely division नहीं होता, but it is repeating 1 2 1 2 like this. So it is non-terminating, recurring. And third type is non-terminating, non-recurring. Okay, plus numbers जिनके स्क्वायर रूट निकलते ही नहीं, like this. All these are irrational numbers. These two means rational and third one is irrational. Then natural, first integers, then natural, then whole. Okay, then every integer is a rational number. We proved that. But every rational number is not an integer. Okay, then real number is the set of rational plus irrational plus integer. Integers means all are rational. So real numbers is equal to rational numbers plus irrational numbers. Okay, next we are going to see next. Exercise 1.1. Now exercise 1.1. First question. Is 0 a rational numbers? Can you write it in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0? Yes, why not? See the number line. 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0. 0 is the middle number. So we can write 0 upon 1. That means P. P is integer, P upon Q form. P 0 is an integer and Q is non-zero number. So we can write 0 a rational number. 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2, 0 upon 3 like this. Next question. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Now I explain rational numbers. Okay, irrational numbers, integers, natural, whole, etc. So, how to write rational numbers between 3 and 4? 3, 3 and 4. There are infinite rational numbers between two rational numbers. There are infinitely many numbers between two rational numbers. टेक्सचुअल मेथड फर्स्ट मेथड 1 पहले देखते हैं कैसे. 3 upon 4 के बीच के 6. So we can find first 3 plus 4 divided by 2. That means 7 upon 2 is the middle number. This one is okay. Now next, take the average of these two numbers divided by 2. That is 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 upon 2 divided by 2, that is 13 upon 4. Here is that number. Next number, you can take the average of these two. Then you will get the middle number of 3 and 13 upon 4. Like this, you can find the numbers which are between 3 and 4. So method 2, another method is there. Ab 3 and 4. Okay, here is denominator, nothing is there. That means always 1 is there. So take multiplied by 10 upon 10. Here also multiplied by 10 upon 10. So 30 divided by 10. And here 40 divided by 10. So we can write the numbers which are between 30 upon 10 and 40 upon 10. 31 upon 10, 32 upon 10, like this. Isn't it? This is the another method. One more method is there. One more method. If the number has denominator. If denominator is there. Another method. Hmm. 2 upon 5 and 7 upon 5. Write 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 5 and 7 upon 5. Denominator is same. So we can use this method. Method number 3. 2 upon 5 means how many numbers we have to write? Total 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 5 and 7 upon 5. That means n is 5. You have to find out 5 numbers. Take n plus 1. So that is 5 plus 1 is 6. Multiplied by numerator and denominator by 6. Okay, so it is 12 upon 30. Same process we have to use here. Multiplied to the numerator and denominator by 6, it is 7 6 are 42 upon 30. 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42, 6 5s are 30. Now write the numbers which are between 13 upon 30, then 14 upon 30, like this you can find the numbers. Is that clear? Total 5 numbers. So n plus 1 is 6 multiplied by 6 to the numerator and denominator of first fraction. So 6 2s are 12, 12 upon 30. Then 6 7s are 42 divided by 30, and write the numbers which are between these two fractions. You can find the, you will get the answer. Okay. Next question. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Again, you have to find how many? 5 rational. So what is n plus 1 is 6. So multiplied by 6 to the numerator as well as denominator. 6 3s are 18 divided by 30. Here 24 divided by 30. So write the numbers which are between 19 divided by 30, 20 divided by 30, 21 divided by 30, 22 divided by 30, like this. Next question. State whether the following statement are true or false. Everybody understood this? Try to solve another problems with the same method. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason of your answers. First, every natural number is a whole number. What is the question? Every natural number is a whole number. Yes, because 0 plus set of natural is whole, means number line 0, 1, 2, 3, infinite, -1, -2, infinite. So positive side of the number line, all are natural, and start from 0 is a whole number, isn't it? So every natural number is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. It is false statement. Why? Because on number line, positive plus negative, both types of numbers are there, and whole means started from 0. No negative numbers are there in whole numbers. So every integer is not a whole number. Whole number started from 0. That is why it is false statement. Third question. Every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. Rational means fractions also there, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5, negative numbers, but a whole number started from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. That is why it is false statement. Every rational number is not a whole number. Okay. So we completed exercise 1.1. Okay. Thank you.